Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Davinci AI. To begin, you will need to access the Davinci platform, typically through a web interface or an application programming interface. Ensure your account is set up and that you have enough credits to process your requests. Understanding the basic interface is your first step towards harnessing this powerful artificial intelligence tool for various creative and analytical tasks, allowing you to start generating content immediately. Crafting effective prompts is crucial for optimal results with Davinci AI. Be very clear about what you want the AI to produce, providing ample context and specific instructions. Including examples or keywords can significantly guide the model toward your desired output. Remember, the quality of your input directly influences the quality of the AI's response, so take your time to refine your prompts. Davinci AI offers a wide array of capabilities to assist you. It can generate diverse creative content, from compelling articles and imaginative stories to functional code snippets. You can also use it to summarize extensive documents into brief, easy-to-understand paragraphs, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, its language translation features provide highly accurate and nuanced conversions across many languages. To maximize your Davinci AI experience, consider these advanced tips. Always iterate on your prompts, making small adjustments to achieve increasingly precise results. Keep a close eye on your token usage, as this directly impacts your operational expenses. For highly specific tasks, exploring fine-tuning options can significantly enhance the model's performance, tailoring it to your unique requirements and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.